What's going on, guys? On today's episode of Robbie Sucks, I'm going to work on the inner fender for the BSA. Check it out. So as you guys know, I've been mocking up parts on the BSA, and we have our full fenders for the front and the rear that cover the tires. But you know that I'm turning this into sort of a tracker style bike, and we made some modifications because I like the look of the exposed rear tire, but I also want to be able to make sure that I don't get like rocks kicked up and like fling water if I'm going through puddles or moisture, whatever you want to call it. So I took the rear fender here and I cut it to about half, maybe a little bit less. So I'm going to clean this up on the grinder and try to make this a little more even than it is, because if you look, I'm a little off. We're going to try to clean this up here, and then we're going to take this tape off, acetone it, and we're going to hit it with that copper, dark copper color that I had put on the frame in the last video, if you saw that. If you haven't, check out the last video. We did a lot of fitment and tried a new frame paint. It looked pretty sick. Okay, so we've got our fender cut, ready for paint. I'm gonna do the inside black, and then I'll take that dark metallic copper and I'll do the outside with it. So, check it out. Well, there you have it, guys. All painted up and looking great. I'm gonna leave it out here to dry for a little bit, but that's gonna be it for today's episode. Like, subscribe, keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. Remember, it's okay to suck, just don't give up. Hit up RobbieSucksStore.com, and I'll see you next time.